I know you had some questions about Kaylee's grades. I actually have been working this last week or so to kind of get her plan together to be more specific on what she needs to do. So that's what I have here on the screen. This is her pacing guide. We had just been doing it like this. So it was kind of vague, just logging into OdysseyWare and following those due dates. But um, I think I'm going to change it up specifically in those classes that she's gotten really far behind in, so that she can get back on track by the end of the semester. So this that you see on the screen is for the rest of the semester, so until January 5th. I've done it by week. So you can see this is the week that we're in right now, and then I've lined out all the things that she needs to do um, for the entire week. So for Algebra 2, she needs to go into OdysseyWare and complete these lessons. And then this homework help booster, work in IXL doing that diagnostic test for 30 minutes a day so that I can see the areas of her weakness. So that diagnostic test, it'll give her math and reading questions mixed up. And then whatever she's struggling with, it will recommend skills to work on based off that. So I really would like her to do that so that we can figure out where she needs help the most. Um, this is English, what she needs to do in OdysseyWare. I haven't assigned anything in Study Island for math or English yet because I need to know what her areas of weakness are from her IXL diagnostic test. So those will come. They're blank right now. Homework help booster for English. Same thing with IXL. For Earth Science, she will do OdysseyWare these lessons. Study Island. So she'll be doing the ACT test this year because she's a junior. And so I've assigned her some skills in Study Island to help with that. So she'll do the biology quiz or lesson in Study Island. History is just in OdysseyWare, and then both of her electives are only in OdysseyWare too. So that's what she'll do for the entire week. Um, and then next week is this row, the next week is this row, and so forth and so on. Now, in Algebra 2 and in English, she's pretty far behind. So her OdysseyWare gradebook is going to show that she is off pace. But that is okay because as long as she does these lessons that I've listed here, that is what I'm going to take her grade off of. Which leads me to my next point of the EPIC gradebook in the parent portal, what you were asking about in your email. You will see a different grade. And that is because all of these other things, like coming to our face-to-face meetings, Study Island, IXL, all of those things have been included in her EPIC gradebook grade. So I just wanted to kind of show you what it looks like on my end. So here is where she's at right now. So each one of her courses are listed here. This is her current grade. This is her percent completed of the course. So by the end of the semester, she'll want to be at 100%. And EPIC says they want students to complete about 6 to 7% of their course weekly. So that is where this expected cumulative percent comes from. So, and then here's where she is, and she's behind because of her OdysseyWare is behind. So that's why that's showing behind. And then this is like some kind of average where they average that pace and grade together, and that's what they come up with. So it's very technical, not that easy to understand. But when I do go in to enter her grades, you'll see that she gets, like I was saying, a grade for each one of those things. So OdysseyWare, I put in a grade. For IXL, she's getting a grade. Study Island, a grade. And that's all averaged together to make a new grade. So that's why it's different in OdysseyWare than when you log into the parent portal, if that makes sense. I know it's super complicated, but anyways, let me know if you have any questions. I was going to meet with Kaylee today to talk about this new plan, but that didn't happen. So we can reschedule um, for another day, or I can do an online meeting with her. But if she will take a look at her lesson plan or pacing guide that's in her Google Drive and work on those lessons that I have there, that would be great.